Right, so see you again. We just got to work and it's already 12:16. We're supposed to be here by 12, so we were a bit late today. So right now I'm just going to do the schedule for this week and then maybe set up my classroom. I'm gonna take you along with me. So since I'm the class leader, part of my responsibility is making sure we finish all of our books by the end of the semester. I always check our weekly schedule to make sure we're staying on track. So I would write down which books and what pages the other teachers need to cover each day. I also make sure the lessons for the following day are prepared before we move forward. Sometimes I go back and check previous pages to make sure no students are falling behind. At the start of the day, I like to update the date and write the to-do list on the board. I like it when everyone is on the same page. It makes the whole day run much more smoothly. We also have a chore chart in every classroom, so here I'm just writing it down.
But if you don't want the chocolate, you need to take it.
Because he will eat them all. The chocolate. Oh, you're foggy.
Yeah. Pakpiak.
Yeah.
Pakpiak.
Very cheesy.
Flavors.
I taste the meat.
I'm gonna set this class up and then go to my 3 o'clock class and then maybe go buy some food later if I have time, and yeah. I teach one of the classes on my own, but I still like to write down the weekly schedule because when there's so much to do, it's easy to lose track or forget small details. So having everything written down helps me stay organized. So this is my snack for now. I have like 1 hour to eat before my class. I bought some sweet potatoes. I also bought some sushi. My go-to, I always buy this type of sushi from 7-Eleven. So they have these numbers 1, 2, and 3. So you have to just follow the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. I like to put it back on the third one so I can hold it. So like that. And trash. While I was eating, I kept trying to look into my classroom to check on my students. And I always get this tuna sushi here. It's super simple, but it's really good. Right now we're gonna try the sweet potato. I love sweet potatoes. And I was debating whether I should eat the skin or not. So let's Google some facts. So apparently, sweet potato skin is actually very healthy. It has a lot of fiber, which helps with digestion, and also contains antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C. So if the skin is cooked well and clean, it's actually really good to eat.
You want some? It's a mineral spray.
I'm at my first class for today, and I went downstairs to 7-Eleven to buy this to charge my camera because it was low battery and I forgot to bring the charger for this camera. Go to page 1. I'm gonna show you the page on the TV, so pay attention. I'm still waiting for you to open your book. Right, everybody read number 1. Can everyone read it for me? 1, 2, 3, go. With our first class, now we're gonna have our second class, and it's that Right now it's 4:47. My students are going crazy right now. It's break time. So it's usually the crazy before the calm. So yeah, I'm gonna organize my classroom a little bit and wait for my students to come. I just finished my classes, so I'm just checking books and cleaning up my classroom and just getting ready to go home. It's about 7:40 and we get off at 8. So yeah. So y'all, I took the wrong bus, but I see my building is right there. I'm just going to walk. Alright, so what happened was I mistaken the bus number. It was supposed to be 957, not 947. So I took that and then I went the other way around. This is me, just in case somebody's following me. Taiwan is so safe. I highly doubt somebody will, but if there is, just in case. You guys see, safe, we're here, we're safe, and now we're just going to go upstairs and take a shower because that's what we need. So see you guys later.